ZVAITWA police issue weapon prohibition orders amid looming anti-mnangagwa protest led by war veteran Blessed Geza. Sanapina mashoko buda chinyorwa ari warning achipiwa the ZVAITWA police ahead of my protest. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipina panapa muzimba buda nyora chiti. As it becomes more clear, President Emmerson Mnangagwa has likely ended his presidency on his own this week by unlawfully retiring the army commander. Police heads in Harare have issued sweeping prohibition orders banning the public carrying or display of traditional weapons and other blunt instruments, citing fears of violent disorders. The development comes just days before the anticipated 31 March protest, spearheaded by war veteran, military field officer, and activist Blessed Geza, aimed at stopping Mnangagwa. In two separate but strikingly similar prohibition orders seen by this publication, Chief Superintendent Nobet Ushe of Harare North District and Chief Superintendent M. Mashiwi of Harare Central District informed the Maintenance of Peace and Order Act, Chapter 1123, to prohibit the possession of catapult, machetes, axes, nobels, swords, daggers, and any other traditional weapons in public places. These bans are valid for a period of up to 3 months in the case of Harare North, 26 March to 26 June, and 2 months in the case of Harare Central, 27 March to 31 May. The police orders cite a sharp increase in murder, assaults, robberies, and other violent crimes involving such weapons as justification, though sources within the police privately acknowledge the measures are a preemptive move against potential escalation during the planned mass demonstrations led by Geza. Blessed Geza, a former liberation war fighter turned anti-corruption crusader, has emerged as a surprise figurehead for a growing protest movement calling for the resignation of President Mnangagwa. His calls for peaceful but resolute action have reportedly unnerved the ruling ZANU-PF elite, particularly given his veteran status and deep grassroots links within both urban communities and marginalized war veteran networks. Security sources say while the Zimbabwe National Army ZNA has thus far been restrained and uninvolved, other arms of the security sector, including the police, intelligence services, and paramilitary support units, are frantically and desperately mobilizing to prepare for March 31. Officers have been seen conducting impromptu roadblocks, search operations, and intelligence gathering patrols, particularly in high-density suburbs such as Mbari, Kwadzana, and Warrenburg. Domashkwamda panapa, Donabo prohibition orders anoiswa the ZVAITWA. Nazorodza kuti aiwa vari kutotya kuti maprotest aya ngasatina violent. Vanyasa kuziva zvauchokwadi kuti aiwa panguva inoi the leader akatukanganisa nechekare by retiring aiwa the army boss. Panapa chatongova chokwadi chatongova pachena kuti aiwa vatongotokonya kune vanhu vanozikamwa kunze ndo vanga vasara kuti vapiwe a signal. Vamoziva kuti muna 2017 war veterans are the ones who led the transition of power, but the military yakazova involved. Now the military ndo yakasara by retiring aiwa army general Sanyati panguva inoi zvabva zvanyatsa kutoshedza vakomana vemauto kuti vanyatsa kuintervene. Hatudze mafuro emoti kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Penya comment section medu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.